Let's see if Joey can get the ball in. Here's a very basic meal that I eat in the Philippines that's cheap. These are boiled eggs. I just put some, I usually put some sriracha on it, and you don't need a fridge for this. This is just plain rice with salt that I make in my rice maker. And then you have over here bananas. These are the Saba banana. They last pretty long. I just have some peanut butter and salt on them. So that's a pretty basic meal here that I eat in the Philippines when I'm here on like a budget and stuff. So I would say one of the best meals that you could possibly make at home here in the Philippines is to get produce from like the produce stands or the wet market, and then put it all in a pot and boil it, and then make some kind of soup, and you're also killing the germs. So I have over here, these are sweet potatoes. I like these because they last a long time, and you don't need a fridge. And these are the eggs. And I also got ginger from the wet market. I have the calamansi for vitamin C. Some more sweet potatoes over here. And I have, I eat these garlic cloves, but make sure you get the purple ones. Also, another tip, when you come here, if you're gonna get water from like a filling station, so you could have one of these containers. I would get a clear one so it's easy to see if there gets any like green film, like algae or something in it. Yeah, I would invest in that. And this one is like a little bit beat up. Also, you might want to take the cap off and get a screen, because if you keep the cap on, then it grows algae. I used to have the lid cracked open, but I think it's better if I just do this so it has more airflow in it. And the water is also really cheap. Like, I could fill this whole thing up for like 20 pesos. On my way to the Phillies bar to do a live stream. Yeah, these are the new massage parlors. There's like a bunch of them. There's like 3 side by side. Huh.
Where are you going?
And it's kind of an aimless walk tonight. Just going, well, like it usually is anyway, just going to the Phillies bar. And yeah, Phillies bar looks pretty empty. There's not much going on, so I don't even want to go inside there. I mean, I wouldn't want to get like a drink in there anyway. Yeah, I don't know. I thought I might want to get a drink, but it's you know, the barangay is sitting in front, kind of like guarding it, and I don't know. It's not the same anymore. I thought I would want to go, but I don't even think I want to get a drink in there right now. just hanging out on the walking street. Joy, what's today? What's the day today? You don't know either.
Friday.
Oh, it's Friday night. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Friday night.
Yeah. Yesterday was Thursday night. Today is a Friday night. Just playing pool at the Hook and Billiards. Let's see if Joy can get the ball in. Like she did on the last video, she made a scratch. But we'll see if she can get it in this time. Just got out of the Hook Billiard Sports Cafe Bar. They have a lot of pool tables here, and you can play pool for 300 pesos. And pool was 300 peso, and then the drink kind of surprised me. The drinks were only about 100 peso for the local drinks. So that was kind of good, and there's girls that will play with you. I didn't ask how much the lady drinks were, so I'm not sure about that. But it's a pretty chill place, and I think they also have karaoke rooms in the back if you want to do karaoke. But overall, yeah, like a pretty cool, chill place to hang out. They have like a lot of pool tables, and a lot of the pool tables around Walking Street, they're usually taken up. So this was kind of like a nice little spot to play pool that's close to the Walking Street.